Okay, I got a question. Did y'all come here to stand still or have fun? Say stand still if you came here to stand still. Get the fuck to the back, lame ass. Everybody else, if you came to have fun, say have fun. It sound like nobody, they don't got no consistency.
Yeah.
Hey, when I say, I don't care about your mans, you say, I don't give a fuck. Say it with me, come on. Yo, I don't care about your mans, I don't give a fuck. When my wrist ain't my dick, everybody else make you go. It's so crazy to me that so many people can actually have fun, and these people right in the front have been fucking Tetris. They don't even move. It's so fucking crazy to me. And they're looking at me eye to eye. I'm looking at you right now, and we're both. I ain't even gonna get that deep, but it's crazy. I don't get the support, and I'm like, what the fuck? I don't care though. I do care. I'm also bipolar, but I need help. Let's keep it going, man. I don't know my set list. Hey, it's dedicated to y'all, man. Cause I love you. You can't put a heart up? It's cool, it's cool. Alright, when I say, fuck you, you say, bitch, fuck you. I just have to thank you for giving me this leeway, cause now we gonna turn up. Hey, let's go crazy, let's go crazy, let's go crazy. Hey, fuck you, and the click that you came with. I ain't playing bullshit, I ain't be my booty man. Fuck you, leave your ass on the baby, it's a baby. Hey, fuck you, and the click that you came with. I ain't for the bullshit, I ain't be my booty man. Fuck you, leave your ass on the baby. With my niggas, we gorilla. I don't give a fuck where I'm fucking villa. Listen.
That's so good.
Before my next song, I just want y'all to know, I get it. I'm giving attention to negativity, but it's because it's so good on my set. You're helping me out. But for real, don't pay no mind. Don't pay no mind. More importantly, we spreading love. Put your hearts up in this bitch. I still love you. I still love you. I appreciate every single one of y'all in this bitch. I want you to know that because I ain't shit. I'm the same as y'all. Let's do the next song. I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you. Art of War. When I say bounce, I need everybody in this bitch to break this fucking floor. Even y'all up there. I need y'all to come crazy. Yeah. Alright. Now that I got all the hatred out, I want to get emotional and personal with y'all. I want to go back there. Let me go. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, no, listen. It's not what you think. I want everybody in this bitch to sit down with me on some campfire shit. Let's go. Let's gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. R-C-A-M-P. And if you don't think that we can sing it faster, then you're wrong. But it don't help if you just sing along. Okay. They're gonna kick me off because I got time. This next song is dedicated to the people. Whenever they leave, you're like, fuck. Why the fuck did I let that motherfucker leave? This is dedicated to the people you can't say hi to anymore. This is dedicated to people you can't say I love to anymore. This song is called When I'm Gone. I don't want to do this. Can you get your phone out of my face, please? I want people to really resonate.